welcome to this demo on how to use the payroll module in Dynamics 365 Business Central. So on Dynamics here we have the payroll module. We select the payroll. So under this payroll we have the page for the employee record, which shows us the list of employees we have. Under the payroll module we have the salary period, which comprises of different months, January to December. We also have the tax setup. So this shows us a breakdown of tax rate and the amount of tax. We also have the salary element. What makes up is the salary you're paying to your employees. Basic, housing, transport, whether it's an earning or a deduction, it's stated here as well. So under the payroll module, we have what we call the salary grade. So this salary grade is what is assigned to each employee to determine what they earn for each month. So under the payroll module, we also have monthly variables, which is going to be prepared for each month. And we have what we call the payslip. So we'll focus majorly on two things, the monthly variables and the payslip. So let's start by creating a new monthly variable for a particular month. So here I'm just going to select new. The first thing I'm going to do here is to select the payroll period. So let's assume I want to create payroll for February. And say February 2023, the description comes up automatically. Here I'm to enter the employee information. So let's assume I want to create a monthly variable for Oyetola. I'll select Oyetola's code. Employee's name comes up as well. Code. This is saying which monthly variable do I want to assign to Oyetola. So let's assume Oyetola want us to reduce bus fee for this particular month. So I'm to select the code here. Description comes up as well. So I'm to enter the amount. How much do I want to deduct as a bus fee for this particular month of February? So let's assume I'm deducting just 50,000. So for the next line, I'll select another employee. If assuming Oyetola has another deduction for the month, I'll select a code or his code again. The name comes up, then the code, the elements I want to deduct for the month. Let's assume kids fee education. So here I'm to enter the amount as well. Let's say 200,000. The next line, I'm to do the same thing. Here I'm going to pick another employee, Abigail. So you pick the employee's number, then the code for the salary element you want to deduct, which is a variable. So here I can pick training for this person, and I'll enter the amount for the training fee. So you have to do this for each employee that has a variable payment for a particular month. So once I'm done with this, I'll go back to my payslip, click on payroll, select payslip. So what this does for me is that it creates the payslip for every employee. So I'll select new, select payroll period. Instead of going through this long process, so this one is only going to create payslip for one employee for me. But because I want to create employee in batch, I want to create payslip for all my employees. I want to use this functionality. I'll go to my global search here and search for create payslip. This approach is better because it creates the payslip for every employee. So here I have to select the pay period, February. Let's even use January that has enough data. So I'll just use January and I'll select OK. So one important thing that has to be selected here is the pay period. So this has automatically generated payslip for every employee. If I should select this employee's payslip, I will see all what the employee is entitled to earn for the particular month. Now for me to see those monthly variables, which are like additional deductions for this particular employee, I'll go back to my monthly variables page. Because I'm running payslip for January, I'm going to use January payroll period for my example. So I'll select January. So I'll click on update payslip. So this is going to update these deductions for me on each of the employee payslip I have created already. So once it updates the payslip for me, this column is going to be checked. It is telling me it has been treated. It has been added to the employee's payslip. Right? So I'll click this update payslip. Okay, you can see that these columns they are now checked, which means they've been added to my employee payslip. So let me just filter by particular employee to know if this variable has been added to his or her payslip. So now for employee 6, this person has a monthly variable for welfare, which is 1,000. So I'll go to the payslip and check if this has been added to the person's payslip. I'll click on payroll again, payslip, employee with code 6. So I should open this person's payslip. I should see that monthly variable, welfare, 1,000. So here you can see the payroll period, the employee's unique number, the employee's name, the earnings for the month, the total deductions for the month, and the net pay that this person is entitled to. So that's all about this payroll model. Thanks for watching.